So, I talked about gems earlier, a timely tale of Idaho's nickname. There's some lessons here that we can learn from how Idaho got its moniker as the Gem State. So, here we go. Idaho has been nicknamed the Gem State since the territorial days. The name of the territory, however, was originally more hype than fact. The word Idaho was supposedly derived from a purported Indian word, Idaho, meaning gem of the mountains. Sounds really cool. But in truth, it was actually a neologism taken by those politically interested in getting the territory established. So the Gem State was not on first intent justly honored for its gem and mineral treasures, though it turns out that it could have been. We do have some wonderful gems and an amazing geology around here. The point is, if we take ourselves as an item of value, as a gem, we need to, in the professional world, in the real world, not be more hype than fact. You need to be more fact than hype, right? The story turns out well for Idaho that they actually did discover later on that it's an amazing resource of gems and rich minerals. But again, in the real world, that's not how it works. If we don't have pure intent, if we're more hype than fact, we'll always get caught out. So you need to maintain that integrity when telling your own story. So this will get a little cheesy now. How do you turn your story, your professional, your life story, into a gem? Give me a G. Here we go. G. G, we got to be genuine. Authenticity is really the key, and that's been repeated a couple of times tonight. This enables a confidence, and I think it's really that confidence that sells your story to other people. So just be genuine. Don't hype yourself up too much, or in the wrong way. E is for educate and enlighten, both yourself and the other. Okay, you need to know your audience and then tell them why you matter, why you're relevant to them. So educate and enlighten both yourself and the other. And finally, M, you need to master the medium. Okay, this beautiful gemstone here, of course, when you first dig out a gemstone, it's pretty dirty, pretty dull, it needs to be polished. That's like most of us, right? We're a little rugged and rough and, not perfectly put together. But when it comes to telling our story, when we're communicating that message, we really need to work on it, and there's no excuse for not mastering the medium of how we're telling our story.